Okay, so I guess my camera kind of cut me off, but like, yeah, I have a lot of PR this week. I want to do a get ready with me. I'm gonna be filming consistently for like the next 3 days or so that's kind of exciting. I haven't done that in a while, and I haven't honestly set up my filming setup down here. I've been filming upstairs. I've been honestly really lazy, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys a huge PR package that Lancome has sent me. It's their new transfer resistant foundation for, I guess, for wearing face masks and stuff like that. I honestly haven't tried it out yet, but I'm going to today. I think I have some extra face mask in here that I haven't really used yet, so I'm gonna try that out for today. I just came back from vacation. It was really fun for me, but I feel like now I'm in a mode where I don't feel good. I think it's just because like sometimes if I go on vacation, I come back and there's a lot of stuff that I have to get done. I get overwhelmed. I even honestly just cleaned my whole apartment today, or most of downstairs, because I really want to do an apartment tour. I can finally film upstairs with a new desk, all that cool stuff that I wanted to start doing for you guys. I can actually start doing really soon. And I hope that you guys are still watching me because I have other stuff to talk about. But today I wanted to just kind of go into mental health and everything. I am on my period today, so I'm just not feeling the best, and I'm feeling kind of more emotional than usual for some reason. Like, I've just been really down on myself recently, and for no reason whatsoever. I feel like I'm okay. Well, I don't feel like I'm okay, but I feel like things are going pretty well in general. So I don't know why I'm really hard on myself recently, but it's just because I think I haven't been doing as much work as I usually do. I'm gonna do a transformation of some sort, so stay tuned for the finished look. I cut my bangs earlier today. Lancome, they sent me a bunch of stuff. They sent me like the whole range of their new, yeah, it's their Ultra Wear Sunscreen Foundation, transfer resistant, and it's up to 24-hour color and wear. So this is what it looks like. And what's funny was I saw this in an ad the day before I got this package. So yeah, it was really weird. I was like, oh, I really want to buy that, but it's probably going to be expensive, and I don't know if I want to try it. I don't know if it's going to actually be good. Okay, so they also sent me their youth activating concentrate. So I'm gonna actually put this on first and then put on my primer from Hourglass that I got sent recently. This also has SPF 15, and hopefully my pores look good on camera today, because I honestly don't know. But we're gonna zoom in here and we're gonna get started. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the youth activating serum first, and it's just like a dropper. And then I'm gonna go in with my Veil Mineral Primer from Hourglass. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time. I just haven't yet. This has like a purple tint in the beginning, I guess because of the sunscreen, but it disappears. And that's my fridge, by the way. They did send me a foundation brush to apply this with. I'm gonna try to use this and see if I like it, but if I don't, I'm gonna just use the beauty blender that I have right over here, so. Okay, so far, I like the way that this feels without any powder on. I think that it honestly, it's not like it doesn't feel oily, doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, even though I feel like it has a full coverage. And I ended up using the beauty blender, just dry. So I'm gonna just go in with my Hourglass Veil translucent setting powder. They also sent me this in PR recently that I'm gonna be using for today. Okay, I was just listening to some music just now, and I really like how this is looking. I wasn't really sure about the concealer and how it was applying at first because it's really thick, but I think it's meant to be a long wear concealer as well. Yeah, I feel like it's making my under eyes look really good. But I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can tell
hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling.
Okay, so I'm doing the wear test upstairs. I didn't feel like doing it downstairs. There's some lighting in here. So let's see how this looks. I've been wearing the foundation for a good 3 hours now since I've been editing the video. But I'm gonna see if it's transfer free. Whoa, actually, that's pretty impressive. So this is my lipstick that just got on there. There's no foundation on here. Okay, so I'm finished with this look. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys were relaxed. I hope that even though I only talked for a little bit, that you guys liked the video and you also like the foundation. I feel like the foundation honestly looks really, really good. Like with my skin type, I'm just naturally an oily person, so eventually this would get oily and come off anyway, in my opinion. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm wearing this purple dress that I've worn before. I'll probably show you guys how it looks in like a photo or something. That's my soft girl, sad girl look for makeup today. Hope you guys like the video, and if you have any other makeup suggestions or like any like era that you want me to try out for makeup, let me know, because I've been wanting to do that for a minute now, and I'm gonna have my studio up for a minute so I can just like start filming down here more often. I'm gonna put actually everything that I'm using down below for you guys to check out, and that's it for this video. So yeah, all right, bye guys.
Let's do infinity.